Alright, what's up everyone, and welcome back to the channel, the Moto Soul. As you can see, I'm out here riding through the great city of Dallas again. We are riding up to a bikes and pancake meet over at Original Market Diner, local diner here in Dallas. Been open for like 50, 60, 70 years, something crazy like that. The guy that owns this place actually is one of the dudes that comes out to the bikes and coffee meets all the time that we're always rolling up to. And he's done a couple of these bikes and pancake meets. I've been out of town, but should be a good time. We're meeting up with the usual suspects. Maybe do a little bit of riding afterwards. I'm excited to show you guys Max's Hyper Motard. It's the red one. He's gotten quite a few new parts installed since the last time that we saw it. A lot of stuff from CNC Racing, so that should be pretty cool. Man, look at this beautiful city skyline right here. Incredible. Weather's fantastic this morning. Getting close to probably like 65 now. Supposed to be right at 75 degrees is the peak temperature today. Just a fantastic day to ride. Woo! There we go. I don't think there will have been any sort of break in the content for you guys, but it's actually been about 2 weeks since I rode. Oh shit, little tunnel right here, little tunnel run. We gotta get over here. Anyways, yeah, it's been about 2 weeks since I've been out on the bike. So a couple weeks ago, me and my girlfriend actually took an incredible trip to Italy. Had a great time. We went down there for one of her friends' weddings. Beautiful country. We actually stayed in like a smaller city, smaller little town out there. So not like a normal tourist destination, because the people who wedding we went to, they actually moved there. And this little village town is where they live. So that was a cool experience, culture shock. Really my first time being outside of the country, other than like a trip to Mexico, which I don't know if that really counts. You stay on a resort or whatever. Slipped her into neutral there. There's good old Dallas PD. That guy seems to be in a hurry to get somewhere. Interesting. Here's our exit. Anyways though, the trip to Italy was pretty cool. Very cool country, like I said, beautiful country. Definitely a different lifestyle that they live over there. Their culture is totally different than ours. I wouldn't say that I'm necessarily a fan of it, but it was a cool experience just to see how other parts of the country operate. Other parts of the world at least. Quite a good turnout over here. We're here at the Market Diner. I think they got a spot all blocked off for bike parking. That's pretty nice. Max is here. All right. Yeah, you can already see some of the bits and stuff that he's put on there. New lever guards. That's sweet. Alright, I'll walk through real quick, show you guys some of the bikes that are here, let everybody get a look. And then when I come back out, I'll give you guys a little walk around on Max's bike. Oh, I look like Sarge is out on the Triumph today. A couple Ducati Monsters. It's cool bikes. Little dual sport action with the Red Bull livery. I like that. Anyways, let me shut this camera off here and I'll catch back up with you guys when we get done. Great little bike meetup here. As you can see, most of the people have already rolled out. Max actually left before I was able to fire up the camera, so we'll look at the new mods and shit on his bike tomorrow. Me and Sarge and Steve here on the Harley that you guys have seen before. We're gonna roll up to Moto Liberty. That's like a local bike gear shop here in Dallas. Go check out some gear. Do need to top off the gas real quick. Not sure if you guys noticed my new tank pad here, Ducati Performance. I'm sure that's going to trigger some people on the internet. My old MV1 was getting all torn up, so I went ahead and picked this up at the Ducati shop the other day. Like the style of it, think it's kind of funny. Plus I'm always rolling with the Ducati boys anyways, so there's that. Pop into the shell real quick and top off the fuel. I'm at what, 52-mile trip right now. I want to drip on the tank. Sweet. Man, for whatever reason, I'm always the slowest dude at getting gas. I guess that pump over there didn't work. Gonna play some good old follow the leader because I never have any fucking idea where I'm going. Well, this ain't the most motorcycle friendly road. At least not super sport. Hell yeah, brother. Get out, get some exercise. There's Steve rolling on the big body Benz. I think he let me by because he knows that I'm going to be mobbing. Just kidding. Oh shit. Fucking Mclaren 675 LT. That thing is nasty. Come on, dude, get caught up to me here. Wait till we get up. Hell yeah, dude. Look at that thing. It's sick. I'd be terrified to own one of those cars just because you hear all the maintenance nightmares about them and whatnot. But that thing looks badass, dude. Super badass. He's cooking up the tollway here too. I mean, I'd really get up there if I knew what exit we were getting off on, but I don't actually know where we're going, so can't chase down the Mclaren today. I'm not even sure what kind of bike this is. I guess Multistrada 1200S. Fucking guy over here trying to take pictures of me and shit. I think every time that I've came up here to Moto Liberty, I see some super sick supercar. Last time I came up here, I saw a purple Ferrari F12. Or no, it was actually a purple Ferrari 812 super fast. Yellow brake calipers. It was all specced out. It was pretty sick. I was in my 4Runner though, not on the bike. So I took a picture of it. I think maybe I can edit that into the video for you guys. This is kind of a weird area. There's like all these warehouses up here where these kind of like online car dealers just run their businesses out of these warehouses, and they store all the cars indoors. So you can find some really cool cars up here. Some of them selling supercars and stuff like that. And then there's kind of like a class of like what would it be, like M3s, Mercedes, AMG cars, like that level of vehicle. And then there is some up here that do like full-blown supercars and stuff. But cool spot. One of the dealerships up here is called Texas Hot Rides, and they actually just had a temporary location up here, and then they relocated their store. But I actually had a Shelby GT350R that I purchased from them, and that was pretty dope. Get up here in the shade, it's pretty smart. Couple bikes out today. What are you saying?
He said we got trolled by the Mclaren.
Alright guys, that's it. Moto Liberty. That's it for today's adventures. Oh shit, I didn't reset my trip when I left the gas station. Well, as I said, that's it for today's adventures. Go ahead and sign off here. Say bye to the boys. Say bye to YouTube.